So guys, today we are here at G&S Farms here in Brentwood, California. We're gonna be doing some cherry picking. I think I received an email a few days ago that they opened, so this is their third day since opening. So let's go around and hopefully we pick some good sweet cherries. Tucked away in Brentwood, California, where the East Bay slowly gives way to wide open farmlands, there's a place that captures the heart of the region's agricultural soul. This is the G&S Farms, a family-run operation that's been growing food, memories, and community for generations. The story of the G&S Farms begins back in the 1940s when Emilio Gigari planted sweet corn in Brentwood. At the time when the area was known for apricots, lettuce, and open ranch land. Farming here wasn't easy, but the soil, the delta breeze, and a lot of hard work made it possible. In the 1980s, the farm officially became G&S Farms, named for Gigari and Stonebarger, when Glenn Stonebarger, himself a third-generation Brentwood farmer, joined the family. Wala na akong aerial shot.
Sayang, nasira.
What started on just a few dozen acres slowly grew into a large, multi-parcel farming operation that today represents one of the last major family farms in the area. G&S Farms is best known for one thing: sweet corn. Especially the famous Brentwood Diamond corn, a variety that helped put Brentwood on the agricultural map. Grown for flavor, not shelf life, and has become a summer staple throughout the Bay Area.
Umanap daw ng ibang puno yung isa.
Sabi?
Oo. Sabi daw? Grabe naman kadahanap mo. Kaawa yan eh.
Ano tinalog din yung hagdan niya?
But the corn isn't the only star here. Every spring, G&S Farms kicks off the season with a cherry U-pick. Usually running from late April through early June. It's one of the earliest cherry seasons in California, and visitors come from all over to pick fruit straight from the trees. And that's what we're gonna do today. So we're gonna get some cherries. On a cool morning, with birds in the background and buckets filling fast, it's farming at its most joyful.
Keto girls breaking their diet. For the love of cherry.
Ladies.
The keto ladies.
How's the taste? Huh? Sweet, sour?
Somewhere in between.
This is sweet, but not so. Have it this color.
The darker the color, the sweeter it is.
Depending on the year, cherry picking may require online reservations, especially during peak weekends, so planning ahead is a key. As I mentioned, one of the highlights is the corn, which runs from July through September, where it's in full swing. Then in fall, G&S Farms transforms into one of Brentwood's favorite seasonal destinations. From late September through October, the farm hosts its pumpkin patch, complete with corn mazes, hay rides, and family activities. You know, the trick of finding the best cherry is the color. The darker the red, the better. I'm not expert with this kind of things. That's right. Not too sweet, not too sour. Planning a visit is simple. G&S Farms is located in Brentwood, Contra Costa County, with easy access from Highway 4. On-site parking is available, but during cherry season and fall weekends, arriving early is a smart move. Wear comfortable shoes, the ground can be uneven, and bring sun protection. Dog policies can vary by season, so it's best to check ahead before bringing pets. For UPick cherry picking, they usually charge $4 per pound, but free entrance and parking. For payment, they accept cash, credit cards, and Venmo. What makes G&S Farms special isn't just the produce, it's what it represents. A development continues to reshape the East Bay. This farm stands as a reminder of Brentwood's agricultural roots. It's a place where food is still grown by families, where visitors can walk the fields, and where the connection between land and community is still alive. So whether you're here for cherries in spring, sweet corn in the summer, or pumpkins in the fall, G&S Farms offers more than a visit. It offers a glimpse into a way of life that's still thriving in Brentwood. So guys, that's it for GS Farms. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye! If you like our videos, please click thumbs up for like.
Hit the bell to subscribe.
Please comment.
And don't forget to share.